POSIX OS plus C++ apps, service-oriented via Era APIs. Manifests, deployment plus execution, describe executables, capabilities, ports, and permissions. Lifecycle, boot execution management starts apps, service discovery, communication via Era, logging diagnostic/persistency active, updates via UCM. TAC execution management, EM. Ara exec parses deployment manifests, resolves dependencies, and spawns executables. Manages app lifecycle, start, stop, restart, startup ordering, and health status. Interfaces with state management and PHM for controlled shutdown recovery. State management, SM. Tracks platform and app states, startup, running, shutdown. Propagates state transitions to apps so they can initialize, flush safely. Works with EM for coordinated graceful shutdown. Communication management, Era COM. Service-oriented IPC network comms. Offer find subscribe pattern. Bindings, most commonly some IP and/or DDS. Generates proxy skeleton code from IDL. Supports events, fields, methods, QoS, and serialization chosen by binding. Uses service discovery, some IPSD, to locate providers dynamically. Service discovery, some IPSD. Periodic offers by providers, find queries by consumers. Maintains service instance registry, handles TTL refresh and rebind on changes. Supports multicast announcements on the configured network. Harsh diagnostics, adaptive. DUIP, UDS over IP, gateway server for diagnostic sessions. Integrates with DLT, diagnostic log and trace, for structured logs. Provides readiness health info and ECU identification over IP. Logging and tracing. ARA, log/DLT, unified structured logging with contexts, levels, and trace IDs. Remote log collection via DLT daemon supports runtime log level control. Persistency, AR, key value and file object non-volatile storage with transactional semantics. Version data support and durability guarantees, handles schema changes during updates. Update and configuration management, UCM, receives, verifies, and installs software packages, images, apps, data. Rollback support, coordinates quiesce stop start with EM. Uses cryptographic verification, signatures, and policy rules from IAM. TAC identity and access management, IAM, security. Principals permissions defined in manifests, least privilege per app. Key store with certificates keys, secure channels via TLS IPsec as configured. Enforces capabilities, file system, sockets, network, diag, time, etc. Time synchronization, ERA TS, PTP 802.1AS for precise time. Apps read monotonic system time via API. Ensures timestamp consistency for logs, traces, and sensor fusion. Platform health management, PHM, monitors process liveness, watchdogs, resource usage, and faults. Triggers restart escalation policies, process, group, platform. Crypto services, adaptive use, access to crypto primitives via platform services key store, used by UCM, IAM, Secure Comms, TLS, and, where applicable, E2E protection in COM binding. Tab typical data artifacts per module, manifest.manifest.json, deployment execution, permissions capabilities. IDL for ARA COM generates proxy skeleton plus binding code, UCM packages, signed update images, policies. DLT config, app IDs, contexts, log levels, security, certs, keys, trust anchors, policy files. End-to-end flow at a glance. 1. Boot, EM reads manifests, start apps by order. 2. Providers offer service, consumers find service, ARA, combines via some IPDDS. 3. DLT logging on, DOPI available for diagnostics. 4. Apps use persistency, time sync locks to PTP. 5. IAM enforces permissions, secure channels established as needed. 6. UCM installs updates, PHM-SM EM coordinate restarts rollback. Quick testing pointers, useful in Hill-SIL. Verify offer, find, subscribe timing, and rebind after provider restart. Check DLT contexts, log levels, and remote retrieval. DOAP ECU discovery and UDS sessions over IP. UCM signature validation, rollback, and stateful update scenarios. Capability violations, negative tests to confirm IAM enforcement. PHM watchdog, kill app, expect EM PHM restart per policy. If you want, I can turn this into a clean one-pager email draft or a slide you can